Trump media has taken a brutal 49% drop from its all-time high. With the stock now trading at $28, is this the perfect time to buy in, or could this be the beginning of a bigger sell-off? Stick around to find out. Despite Trump's clear victory in becoming the 47th US president, Trump media shares are plunging. So, what's going on? Well, there are two big reasons. First, when the stock skyrockets by 350% in just a month, it's like hitting the ultimate jackpot. And let's be real, who doesn't love a good profit? So, naturally, some investors are locking in those gains while they can. It's all about limiting future risk and cashing out before things get too unpredictable. And second, the lack of strong fundamentals. As you can see, DJT has barely any revenue over the past 5 years, with negative net income getting bigger year after year and no dividends to sweeten the deal. On top of that, DJT has a beta of 5.59, which means it's ridiculously volatile. So, without solid financials to back up the hype, investors are starting to realize it might be time to hit the sell button. Shifting gears to the outlook, Trump media's main focus right now is Truth Social, which is going head-to-head with X, formerly Twitter, owned by Elon Musk. They are aiming high with goals to reach 81 million users by 2026 and are projecting about $13.50 in revenue per user. But right now, they are still in the early stages with less than 10 million users. What's interesting is seeing how committed Trump is to making this work. On September 13, he said he has absolutely no intention of selling his shares and even went as far as saying, "I love truth." With his massive social media following, Trump himself is a massive asset for the company. As for the stock, DJT's value is closely tied to the Trump's brand. He owns over half the company, and here's the catch: DJT isn't making any money yet. So, while there's brand power and a bold vision for growth, the financials are still in the early stages and will need time to prove it can deliver results. Moving on to valuation, Trump's media valuation is largely speculative and is behaving more like a meme stock. Its value is driven solely by the Trump's brand, and until it can achieve positive consistent earnings, DJT remains more of a gamble than an investment. Now, turning over to the technicals, we are seeing a massive sell-off gaining momentum with unusually high trading volume behind the scene. This signals a strong selling pressure as more investors look to exit their positions. Combined with the lack of solid fundamentals, it's clear that the market isn't too optimistic about the stock's immediate future. However, it's currently sitting at a key support line at $29 where we could see a potential rebound. If that happens, keep an eye on the resistance level at $54. Alright, time for the verdict. Buy or sell? Given the analysis, I'm recommending a sell rating. Remember, this is not financial advice, just my personal opinion on the stock. If you have found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.